Oh, look at that. That looks good. Good.
Hello. See that, Mama?
Second.
What's that?
Mmm. Oh my goodness. Y'all get into this woman. My God. This is some of the best ramen I've ever had.
Yeah, me too, Mommy.
Me too. It's good. You want some meat?
No. I want that.
Seaweed?
Yeah. Put it right there, yeah.
I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna eat it. That's good. Me and Mateo just went on a date. We went and got ice cream first before we ate. Probably why he's sitting here driving me insane. But it's okay.
I say that, Mommy. I say that casserole.
I didn't even cuss. What you talking about? Who's gonna let me let my roots get like this? That's crazy. What's up? This one over here. Get over here. Get over here.
What you say? What, Mommy?
I'm sleepy. I know you are. I'm gonna take this food though. I'm really working my nerves. Like, yeah, it's time to go. I can't even finish eating. He's blowing on me.